off the Hyderabad civic polls, Union Minister Prakash Javadekar today launched an attack against TRS chief K. Chandrasekhar Rao. While addressing a press conference, Javadekar said that people would have to choose between AIMIM mayor or BJP mayor because voting for KCR is like voting for Asauddin Owaisi. In fact, Javadekar also added that during pandemic, KCR either stayed at his farmhouse or his residence and in fact left people to suffer by themselves. BJP has also announced a list of star campaigners which includes Smriti Irani, Devendra Fadnavis, Saina Nehwal, Gautam Gambhir and Khushbu Sundar. Meanwhile, AIMIM chief Asauddin Owaisi, they're lashing out at the BJP, questioning the BJP's intent and in fact speaks about help given to Hyderabad amid the floods as well. Owaisi further alleged that BJP is trying to give the civic elections a communal colour. Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao also called for anti-BJP front, requesting all regional parties to join hands together against the Saffron Party.
हमें समझना चाहिए कि सवाल क्या है हैदराबाद में। हैदराबाद में सवाल ये है कि क्या एमआईएम का मेयर चाहिए या बीजेपी का मेयर चाहिए। इस सवाल पे चुनाव हो रहा है क्योंकि केसीआर को वोट माने एमआईएम को वोट, कांग्रेस को वोट यानी एमआईएम को वोट और एमआईएम को वोट माने डिवीजन को वोट। केसीआर और उनके सारे मित्र और सभी लोग, उनके एसेट बढ़ रहे और एसेट राज्य के घट रहे, वहां डेट बढ़ रहा है। और इसलिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने एक आरोप पत्र लाया है। 6 साल के 60 फेल्यूअर्स जो वचन दिए थे उससे भाग गए।
इतना बड़ा सैलाब आया हैदराबाद में, बहुत से मुकामात पानी में डूब चुके थे, आपने टीवी पर दिखाया। भाई, आपने हैदराबाद को, जीएचएमसी को मोदी सरकार ने क्या फाइनेंशियल हेल्प की? अगर आप हेल्प कर देते तो यकीनन बोल सकते आपने कुछ हेल्प नहीं की। तो जाहिर है हेल्प नहीं करने की बुनियाद पर, कोई मदद नहीं देने की बुनियाद पर अब इसको एक कम्युनल रंग देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। यहां पर कुछ होने वाला नहीं है, आवाम जानती है, जनता जानती है।
Cutting across to Ashish reporting from Hyderabad for more details on that. Ashish, here we're looking at the BJP sharpening its attack against the KCR government, saying voting for KCR is nothing but voting for AIMIM chief or the party itself, which is a divisive party. Here BJP is stepping up its attack ahead of polls.
Yes, Nabila, you are absolutely right. We are witnessing a high decibel campaign for Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation election. Remember, BJP has deployed all its top faces, central leadership faces, including Union Minister Prakash Javadekar, today releasing a charge sheet against TRS-ruled GHMC and its misgovernance. They, in fact, claim that in past 6 years, TRS-ruled GHMC was nothing but full of corruption and full of negligence, and that led to flood-like situation or flooding in Hyderabad. On the very other hand, TRS is targeting Bharatiya Janata Party for its communal agenda and communal speeches. In fact, TRS has approached State Election Commission against State BJP Chief and Karimnagar MP Bandi Sanjay and demanded that he should be stopped from campaigning in Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. Meanwhile, Bharatiya Janata Party has bring all of its top faces. Prakash Javadekar is here in Hyderabad today. In coming days, we'll be seeing Smriti Irani, Gautam Gambhir, Saina Nehwal, Khushbu Sundar, all these star faces coming to Hyderabad, campaigning for the party, for the municipal election. And that shows that how much importance Bharatiya Janata Party is giving to this municipal election in Hyderabad. Bharatiya Janata Party is alleging that TRS and MIM, which was in power in GHMC, they have done nothing for the city, for city development, for infrastructure, and in fact, Prakash Javadekar launched direct attack on the Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao and his family, and alleged that they have made money or they were involved in corruption in these 6 years.
Right, Ashish, thank you very much. Clearly, these municipal polls are quite important. The BJP giving it that kind of importance considering the bi-poll victory, and Bihar's victory has really given them a boost. They're hoping to make inroads here in Telangana.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.